Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 28th of September till 4th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Capricorns. Okay, from 28th of September till 4th of October, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Okay. Okay. At the back of the deck, we have the Temperance card over here. So, this is trying to find balance. This is something where you are, you are trying to figure out things, you are trying to find balance, you are trying to exactly see the that balance, that peace. Basically that is what you are towards now. Everything whatever happened is not a concern for you. You are more concerned about yourself now. Your past energies are Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords and Page of Pentacles. Okay, so over here, you felt like in your past there might be some people involved in your life, because we have three suits over here. And this is that, when you try to hear your emotion, when you try to hear your intuitions, with the Queen of Cups and the Knight of Swords, I'm getting that you got something, some kind of intuition, like something is not right, and you heard that intuition, you heard yourself, like if this is not right, so I should really leave the situation, that is better, and I should be fast, I should be quick for this thing. So that is what you did in your past energies. Present, Nine of Cups, Knight of Wands and Two of Swords. So because of that thing, you actually, now you are happy that whatever happened, you are grateful towards that thing. You are happy. Things were not good, things might not be really good, they might be not so fast, things are taking some time in your life right now because of the Temperance, things are slow. Okay, but you are thankful to God right now that everything whatever happened, I'm happy. I want to hear myself. Two of Swords over here in the present is telling me you have learned some lessons, like I should learn, I should listen to my decisions, I should listen to myself. My decisions are important. I should not, you are here, you're not here to listen anyone else's advices. You can hear, you can listen, but what you want to do, you will do that thing. That is what the lesson has been learned by you. Future cards are Ten of Swords, Six of Cups and the Emperor. So you are really ending some past over here in your future. This past might be really hard for you to forget because there were memories involved, good things were involved, there was affection, there was love. But you have to take this decision, you have to be practical this time. That is what you know in your future. Temperance, let's see why the Temperance is here. Why the Temperance is here. Four of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and the Tower. Yeah. Emotionally, you are not well right now. Financially, you are working hard, you're giving, you are working in your company, wherever a job, wherever you are trying to work there, but things are really not good anywhere. Your job, you feel like your job sucks, you feel like your emotional feelings, nobody really try to understand you when you actually want them to understand. You are going through a phase and nobody is trying to understand you, so that is why you are in a major phase right now, because nobody is understanding you, and that is why you are giving yourself time, you are trying to understand yourself. And that is good, I guess, because no one here is to understand the other person. You are here to understand yourself. First you will understand yourself, then only the other people will understand you, right? Okay, so let's see why the Page of Pentacles is here in your past energies. Page of Pentacles, please. Seven of Wands, King of Cups, and Page of Swords. So yes, trying to communicate with your emotions, trying to understand, trying to find answers, trying to explain everyone answers, trying to fight for yourself. That is what you were doing in your past. You were really, you are, that is why you are grateful. You are really blessed with all these energies in your past, because you were alone. You were alone and you did everything by yourself. You, because you heard your intuitions with the Queen of Cups as the first card over here. Your emotions, your intuitions were really uh, good, and you were actually feeling, and you, that is why you took the step. You took stand for yourself, and you moved on. You worked on it. This is not just something, no, this is something really big, and you were there for yourself over here, no one else. Let's see why the Two of Swords is here in your present energies. Two of Swords, please. The Magician, Eight of Pentacles, and Three of Cups. So your present energies, because you want to listen to yourself, that is what you are doing. You are enjoying with your friends, you are taking time for yourself, you are working as well. See, things are really not good anywhere right now, but still you are working, you are giving yourself time, you are giving your friends time, you are manifesting the positive stuff towards yourself, you are manifesting money, you are manifesting love towards you. So the Magician over here, you are doing this, no one else. Okay, and because you have learned this thing, that being happy is the best thing you can do right now, because of all the things, because you have already done, you have already dealt with the past baggages, past things, bad past. So that is why all you are focusing is on yourself, your work, your family, friends, relatives, whatever, whomsoever you love. So that is what you are doing now. Okay, let's see why is Ten of Swords in the future energies. Ten of Swords, why the Ten of Swords is here, please. Temperance, Seven of Swords, and Ace of Cups. You are leaving the, you're ending something, because over here somebody might have deceived you. There was lies which were told, so that is why you are taking some step in your future towards something new, something emotional, something creative, I'm seeing, because you are, whatever you are, because you are already balancing, so it has come in your present and your future energies. Temperance card, so this is something which you are already doing, and you are also doing in future as well. You might be even doing some mind therapies, mind practices, good manifestation therapies, good like yoga, meditation, anything. That is why you are manifesting love towards you, you are manifesting good things, and you are telling goodbye to the bad situations. Let's see why the Emperor is here in your future energies. Six of Wands, King of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. So yes, you are growing, you are patient now, you are working, going towards success, victory. This is triumph, getting triumph, and this is the Entrepreneur of the Year award goes to you. Okay, so this is that card, like this person is hardworking, this person is everything, well educated person, whatever you call this kind of a person, like this person is really good, this person is the best, this person knows how to take decisions in his or her life, and that is what you are doing in your future. King of Swords, practicality is at the level, highest level. So that is what you are doing in the future, and I'm seeing you are changing. Your present and your future energies are just the opposite. It's like you're working for this thing, for you're actually manifesting in your present for this beautiful future. Tomorrow what will happen, this will happen, so that is why you are manifesting it right now. All right, so that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.